Welcome to Factful Fridays. Today we'll show you how to check your Maruti Suzuki car's engine oil level. If the engine oil light comes on, it could mean that the oil level is low or there may be an engine issue. You can do a quick engine oil level check yourself by following these simple steps. Spot the yellow handle? That's your engine oil dipstick. Carefully pull it out. Wipe it clean with a cloth. Insert it fully back in. And then pull it out again. The oil level should always be between the upper and lower marks on the dipstick. If the oil level is low, or if the warning light stays on even after the oil is within the minimum and maximum range, always visit your nearest Maruti Suzuki authorized dealership. Our experts will inspect the vehicle or refill the engine oil with the Maruti Suzuki recommended grade and quantity, ensuring your car stays healthy. Want us to cover a specific topic? Drop your suggestions in the comments and you might see it in the next episode of Factful Fridays. Stay tuned, stay informed, because we are always by your side.